Wow. So today we're doing an Ulta haul. I got a few things off of Ulta.com, and I know a lot of these came out last year, 2022. But I did get a new product for 2023, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. And I'm excited to try it on. So we're gonna get right into this haul, try on haul. Okay, so we're not gonna go in any order, at least I'm not gonna try to. The first thing I'm gonna grab out is the Juvia's Place new foundation. I cannot wait to try this. This is new Juvia's Place foundation that came out this year, 2023. I am in the color, I'm probably in the color 610. That is what I think that I will probably match, hopefully. And I'm also filming for TikTok and Instagram and all that. Oh yeah. So the next that I got is a new Juvia's Place palette. I believe this came out last year. I just been behind on makeup just because I haven't been keeping up with the whole makeup beauty community anymore as I used to, just because of the whole drama and everything that goes on. It's like, ew. But I'm gonna open her up. Okay, we're gonna open her up and we're gonna play with this today in this video. So it comes in a little bubble wrap. I don't have that many neutral eyeshadow palettes. I always get like colorful palettes. But yeah, I always get colorful palettes because I like my color, like my rainbow palettes. So I like playing with color a lot. But I need to get some more neutral palettes. This is what the palette looks like, just like the cover and everything. It doesn't come with the mirror, but these are so pretty. But can't wait to play with this. Alright, next product I bought are two concealers. Milani Perfect Concealer. This is the product that I got, Milani Perfect Conceal and Perfect Long Wear Concealer. I love this concealer. We're not gonna open these up today because I already have one. I always like to have extra concealer on hands just when I run out, so I don't have to go to the store, you know. So another product that came out last year is the NYX Bare With Me Blur foundation, and I wanted to try it. I also bought the brush that goes with it, so I'm super excited to try this as well. Sorry if I keep like reaching over here. I don't know if I said I'm filming for TikTok and stuff. I also got a new lipstick. This is a Urban Decay lipstick. I never tried any Urban Decay lipstick. Wow, I can't talk. Urban Decay used to be like my all-time favorite high-end brand. I fell in love with their electric palette, and that's what made me love Urban Decay, but they kept coming out with so many neutral palettes. It's like, where's all the fun colors? Yeah, this is what this looks like. So pretty. I need some more nude lipstick. I believe this was a free gift, or did I buy it? What is this? I don't know what this is. Oh yes, this was a free gift. This is the NYX contour stick in the color light medium. I'm going to definitely try this out today as well. So that was a free gift. Another free gift is the Milani Anti-Gravity Mascara. And one last thing that I bought is an under eye cream by L'Oreal. I cannot wait to try this out. I am running low on my eye cream, so I cannot wait to try this out. It says this light non-greasy gel cream is specially formulated to define against signs of premature aging around the eye, and hyaluronic acid penetrate the skin surface to hydrate and nurture the skin around the eyes. So it reduces puffiness, smooths the fine lines and wrinkles, diminishes dark circles. That's why I got this, because I got some really bad dark circles and my eyes get really puffy. But that is all for the haul. So we're definitely gonna go ahead and play around with. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this palette. This is the Coffee Shop palette by Juvia's Place. So we're gonna go ahead and use this color right here. Not sure what the names are. I think the names are on the back, but I'm gonna use this light brown right here. We're gonna put that in our crease. So we're gonna zoom in a bit. Hopefully you guys can see that, but yeah. We're gonna go ahead and go into that light brown. We're gonna put that on our outer V and into the crease. There is a bit of a kickback right here on the pan, but that's okay. That means the colors are super pigmented, which I have no doubt, because Juvia's Place is always pigmented. I only have one Juvia's Place palette in my collection just because I haven't played with any of their other ones and I really want to. But a lot of the times I like bigger palettes with more options with the colors and stuff. That's probably why I haven't gotten any of their mini palettes or anything like that. But even though those palettes are old, if you guys would like me to go ahead pick some up, and try them out, then let me know. We're just gonna go ahead and dab this color into our crease and onto the outer V or outer corner, whatever you want to call it. So we're just dabbing, blending as well as we go. The next color we're gonna go into is this darker brown right there. I am going to put that over top of the color that we just put on. I'm sorry if you hear my stomach, I'm hungry. But we're not gonna cover this color up that we just put up. It's the same motions that we did with the first color. Dab onto the outer corner, into our crease, just like so. I'm gonna do an easy look today. We're not gonna go any extravagant kind of look. So we're gonna go back into the first color that we used, and we're just gonna go ahead and blend this out just like so. Now we're gonna go ahead and go into a different brush. I'm gonna use a flat fluffy-ish brush. This is by ELF, and we're gonna go into, I want to say this dark brown right here. I believe that's a brown. That's a brown. At first it looked like it was purplish. We're gonna go ahead and go into that dark brown right there. We're gonna mainly focus this right on the outer V, outer corner, outer V, doesn't matter what you call it. We're just gonna focus it right there, and we're just gonna put the rest of it into the crease. Not all the way, but most, like half of the way. So pretty. We're gonna go into that color a couple of times and just making it dark, like to the pigmented to where we want it to be. So we're just gonna go ahead. We're also gonna drag it a little bit onto our lid, not all the way, but part of the way. The next color I want to go into is probably this light brown, lightish tan brown right there, and we're gonna put this on the rest of the lid. I feel like I should probably bring this out a little more onto the lid. Wipe this brush off because we're gonna use this again. I'm just gonna go into that tan color, the one I just showed you. That color is so pretty. These colors are so pigmented and they're so easy to blend out, which I love. I kind of want to keep my eyeshadow look more matte today. I don't want to do any shimmer. So I think for the inner corner, we're just going to use this white shade right here. So we're going to go ahead and grab a flat brush. Okay, so we're gonna use this flat brush. This is by BH Cosmetics. It's a very old brush. I've had it for a while. I'm just gonna use this brush and dab it into the white eyeshadow, and just gonna put it right here. If you've been following me for a while, especially on Instagram, you'll notice this is very, very neutral for me because I like to play with a lot of color eyeshadows, a lot of colorful eyeshadows, and do a lot of colorful eye looks. We're also gonna cut the crease just a tad, not really cutting it, but so I'm thinking about doing a smoked out wing. So we're gonna go ahead and maybe go into this color. What is this color? I'm gonna go ahead and add this color right here, and we're gonna do a smoked out, and we're using a angled brush, and this is by ELF. I had to clean it off a little bit. I actually kind of like it. Okay, that's so pretty. I like this look. I am so picky about my looks half the time. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and play with the foundation after I do this eye off camera. So now we're gonna play with the Juvia's Place foundation, the new one. This is the Radiant foundation, and this is the color 610. And we're gonna try this out. I don't know why I'm so awkward, but I feel like I'm awkward. And I love that this comes with a pump. I love that this comes with a pump. I appreciate a pump on foundations. It's just so much neater and a lot cleaner. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead. Come on. Hello. Come on. You can do it. Okay, so I don't know what's wrong with this pump though, but I believe it's broken. It might be broken. I don't know. We're still gonna play with it carefully. Is there like anything in there? What the heck? It smells good. There we go. There we go. So my pump doesn't work. I believe it's broken. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and use my sponge. Wow, look at that coverage. It smells so good. It has a little bit of fragrance, and I'm sorry about the noise outside, but I don't know what the heck they're doing out there. What? Okay, I'm not mad at that because I love a full coverage foundation. Like, look at that coverage. If you don't like fragrant kind of foundations, like, you know, foundations with fragrant smell in it, then I definitely don't recommend it. But so far my skin doesn't mind it. That's so good. I love this foundation. So far I love it. I love how lightweight it feels on my face. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel cakey or anything. It basically pretty much covered up my scar from my pimple that I popped. I know you're not supposed to pop them, but I pop them anyways. The only thing I have a complaint about is the pump. Pump is like still not working really. But yeah, I have a complaint about that. I don't know how long it's supposed to stay on, but I'll definitely test that out one day for you guys. And if you would like for me to test it out, let me know in the comment to see how long where it is, to see how long it lasts wearing out in the heat, in the sweat. And so I am just taking my Milani concealer and just highlighting the no, not highlighting, we're just covering up those dark circles, covering up the pimples a little bit, because it's not like, this is the final look. I love how this eye look came out, and I really love this eyeshadow palette. I love how easy the colors are. I love how the eyeshadows are to blend out, and I love how pigmented this eyeshadow palette is. And if you don't have a neutral palette in your collection, I definitely recommend this palette. I'm loving this so far. There isn't any fallouts on the eyes, but like there's a lot of kickback in the pan, but that's okay. None of the eyeshadows fell on my face. I also recommend, I didn't try everything that I bought, but I do recommend this foundation. If you don't like fragrance in your foundation, then I definitely don't recommend it for you. But yeah, I love how full, it's not full coverage. I say it's medium to full. You can definitely build this up, but I like the coverage of this foundation, and I love how lightweight it feels on my face. It doesn't feel cakey, it doesn't feel heavy or anything like that. And as you guys probably already know, Milani concealer, Perfect concealer is my absolute favorite kind of concealer, my favorite drugstore. I don't know why I stopped using it, but for a while, but I was trying to find a new concealer, but I always go back to this concealer. Chill out. I also use the Juvia's Place bronzer in the shade medium. I love this bronzer, but yeah, I did not buy that with this Ulta haul. But The lipstick is the NYX XXL Lingerie in the color Straps Off. Favorite brand ever. It feels comfortable and it stays on for a long time. But I didn't buy that either. But so far I'm enjoying all these products that I bought, that I've tried out so far anyway. But yeah, if you would like for me to do a video on trying this foundation out or a shorts, let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoy haul videos, give this video a thumbs up. Or if you enjoy try on hauls, give this video a thumbs up as well. Comment down below what you would like to see next on my channel. I do vlogs, fashion, food, reviews, hauls. Talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.